question number 1, Chantel is asking, how do you decide market entry and when? There are 2 types of launches that depend on the goal setting of the creator. The first type of launch takes place at the moment when the creator has a pre-production sample of her product and she would love to pre-finance the bulk production of her product from the pre-orders of her clients. So she would run either a crowdfunding campaign on a crowdfunding platform where she would pre-sell her product, or she would be running a pre-order campaign on a sales platform or her own e-commerce site. So this is the first type. And the second type is the launch takes place at the moment when creator receives her inventory. She would pre-finance her inventory from her own funds, and then she will receive the whole inventory to her storage place, and this is when she will start selling. So this would be a launch at the moment that she has the whole inventory. Launching a crowdfunding campaign or launching a pre-order campaign is always more advantageous for a creator, since you are financing your bulk production from the pre-orders of your clients. You have more funds at your disposal, and you also can forecast your demand, so you can order the volume of inventory that is more relevant for the type of demand you have in the very beginning. The date of your launch is really up to you. Important is that you have created an audience you can launch to, that you have recruited affiliates that will support your launch, that you have decided on what ad platforms, advertisement platforms are you going to run your ads for the launch, that you have created all marketing materials, including emails, advertisements for yourself and for your affiliates to be used during the launch. So these are the important components. At the moment when you have all these materials and you have your audience, you have your affiliates, and you know where you're going to advertise for your launch, you can set a date of your launch. There is a misconception about launching a product. My students often see the launch of their product as the single point in the whole time when they will be able to present their product to their audience. A single launch is a misconception. Every entrepreneur launches her product multiple times. It is a never-ending series of launches, and basically you have to see each and every offer that you create for your clients, each and every sales campaign that you create for your clients is a new launch. It means that it's not about one single launch in the very beginning. This first launch of yours is just one launch in the series of gazillions of launches of all these different campaigns and offers that you will be launching with a certain frequency. As an entrepreneur, or as entrepreneurs, what we do is we create new offers for our clients. We are testing these offers. We are defining the winning offers, and then we are scaling these winning offers. At a certain point in time, our winning offers, even though they're performing very well, will stop performing because the market is saturated. So we will need to come up with the new offers. It means that the whole life of your company, of your product, is a never-ending series of launches, and you will be always creating new offers, looking for a new market, testing new offers, finding the winning offers, scaling the winning offers. And this is a never-ending process. So forget about one single launch. It's not one launch forever. It is the first campaign that you are running, the first launch. And the date when you start is up to you.